am going to pick the winner for the YouTube contest for the tassel maker. And so I have this in the YouTube random comment picker here. So I put the YouTube address URL in there. I'm going to load the comments and see who the winner is. Okay, I'm going to click the button to see who the winner is. It's Roxanne Brookus, if I said that correctly. And I had 181 users that were a part of the giveaway. And all you need to do is just like the other one that I had posted the first time recently. All you need to do is comment down below your information so I can send this giveaway to you. I approve all comments. So if you put your information in the comment, I won't publish it. I'll just take your information and then delete the comment. That's one way. Or you can message me through YouTube, or I'll place my email address down in the description below if you just want to email me your information. And so there's 3 different ways to claim your prize. Okay, so congratulations, and thank you everybody for participating and subscribing. And in the future, I think I will have some more giveaways, so look out for them. And thank you for watching.